Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. Welcome to today's video. We're going to be having a look at 3 different battery packs very quickly. And this is for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but this will work with models from the iPhone 12 onwards. Now, the Apple MagSafe battery pack is one I would say stay clear of. It only has 1460 milliamp hours battery capacity compared to the Anker one, which has 5000, compared to the other Anker one, which has 10,000. So this is significantly more powerful than this one. So you're getting about 3 times more battery capacity with this, and with this one you're getting about 6 or 7 times battery capacity compared to this. So with the Apple product, when you put that on the back wireless charging like that, you're going to get this from flat only to about 40%, so you're not even going to get a full charge. With the Anker product, again, just clicks on the back, wireless charging there, so you've got a better chance of getting more of a full charge. And then with the big boy over here, again, it just clicks onto there and you'll definitely be able to get a full charge from scratch. The other good thing about these Anker products is that they also have the ability to charge using a USB-C connector. The bigger product here actually has the USB connection and also USB-C here, and gives out 20 watts of charge if you plug in a cable there. So we have done a separate review on this. This one also has a stand, so please have a look at our other video. With this one, this actually comes with the 633 magnetic wireless charger stand from Anker. Again, we've done a separate video on that, so please feel free to check out that video. In today's video here, having just given, this is really just to give you an idea of sort of size comparison and weight comparison and how they sort of look on the phone, which I've just shown you. These come in blue, this blue color, white, and also a black color. Obviously, if you've got a blue iPhone, I think this is a much nicer look on the back compared to the Apple white look. And also, as I say, from a practicality perspective, I always worry when I'm out and about and relying upon this, because I just know I'm going to run out of juice. While with these two, I know that I've got a greater chance of being able to actually use my iPhone on the move. With all of them, you've got to also have a look at what you are actually looking for. You're looking for portability or that backup battery charging. So let's just do a quick size comparison. So bring out the trusty ruler. This one is about 9 centimeters long, and that is about 6, just over 6, between 6 and 6.5 centimeters wide there. The thickness on this one, it's about 1 centimeter. Looking at this Anker, this one is about 10.5 centimeters by, let's have a look at this, again about 6 to 6.5, and the width here is just under 1 centimeter, so you can just sort of see that. So these two are really quite comparable. So if it comes to this choice, definitely go with this product if you want to be something on the move and going to give you greater capacity. This one obviously is a bulkier product. The width there is again between 6 and 6.5. The length here is about 10.5, and then the thickness here, obviously a bulkier product, you know, we're getting over to about just over 1.5, so it's just under 2 centimeters. The other thing you're going to want to have a look at when you're out and about is the actual weight of this product. So again, if you're putting this in your jeans pocket, which one, if you don't want something really bulky, and remembering that this is going to be stuck on the back of your, you know, your iPhone itself, so adding on to the weight of already your iPhone. Let's just do a quick weight comparison. So this is the Apple one, and that's 114 grams. Let's go with the middle Anker. So this is the 5000 milliamp hour battery. So that's 128 grams. And then let's go with the good old big boy. And that one there is 220 grams there. So those are the three products. My personal preference out of all of these is this flip stand because of the versatility it actually provides to you. But sometimes when I know I've got a full day out, I do carry 2 battery packs, and it is going to be these two that I'll be taking with me rather than the Apple MagSafe product itself. So this by itself is about it's about £70. This product is about £90 when you buy it with the stand. So if I just show you the stand that it comes with, that's the stand, and this is the battery slides into there, and then you can just put your iPhone on that. So we've done a separate review on that, so please feel free to check out our video of that as well. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.